In this video, I'm going to show you how you can instantly have a better day today and a better day tomorrow using this awesome tip from the Law of Attraction.
Hey, pop the trunk, open up, I sold my soul a good price, out of sight. My hoe got talent, right?
Hello everyone, my name is Kai Valentine, your friendly neighborhood master manifester, and let's just take a moment to really let that sink in, because that is such an awesome name, and I'm so happy that I was able to mix, superheroes with my love for the Law of Attraction and all things success. Okay, now on to the tip. Today I'm going to show you how you can use this tip from the Law of Attraction to have an instant better day today and a better day tomorrow. And if you're new to the Law of Attraction, there's a good chance you haven't heard of this law, and it's not really advanced, but it's just something we glaze over when we're first learning about the Law of Attraction because it's such an amazing thing, right? But if you are, advanced in the Law of Attraction, meaning you know a lot more about it, or you've studied it a little bit more and been practicing it for a while, you may have heard of this, but you may have forgotten about it. So I'm so glad you're watching this video now, and the tip is taking responsibility for yesterday, taking responsibility for 15 minutes ago, taking responsibility for now, and now, and now. We manifest everything with our thoughts. The Law of Attraction isn't just for attracting amazing things into our life, it's just every day we attract everything in our life. So yesterday's thoughts are what you're experiencing now. What's going on now in your life is a manifestation of what you're thinking yesterday and how you acted yesterday. So you may be thinking, yeah, a lot of people are really quick to taking responsibility for these amazing things that they've manifested into their life. Like, you may have gotten a new muscle car and you're like, I manifested that. I spent days visualizing it, believing I already had it, being super positive, letting go of the importance of it, letting go of the need for this thing, and it just showed up into my life. And that's easy to take responsibility for that because it's super awesome. You visualize, using the gear shaft or whatever, you're switching gears while you're in your previous car, and you just really were in that moment and you believed you had it. We're not so quick to take responsibility for the negative things that happen in our life, and I'm talking not just negative things that you've manifested, but how the day went. So yesterday you might be saying, well, Kai, I didn't manifest that bad traffic, and I didn't manifest that coworker treating me that way. Well, let's look at it from a different perspective. If you had a bad day yesterday because you're in bad traffic, you could have turned it around and started listening to an audiobook that taught you something cool about the Law of Attraction. You could have put on a YouTube video such as this, or you could have listened to a Jack Canfield book, something like that. You could have called your mom and told her you loved her. You could have made the traffic a lot better. So that coworker that treated you badly, you should have just let that go and just enjoyed the process of whatever you're doing, of making money, and just realizing that you are a miracle and that life is amazing. So again, you are the manifester of everything in your life, not just the positive, but the negative. And again, there's no real positive or negative to anything. It's all perspective. And the Law of Attraction, in my opinion, is kind of blind. So if you keep thinking these negative thoughts, you're going to continue manifesting these negative thoughts. And when we really take responsibility that we are manifesting these bad things, it really gets our butts in gear about we really need to change our thoughts. We need to use our inner guidance system, which is feeling good all the time, so we can continue to be lucky, which I don't believe in luck, I just believe in awesome manifestations. And yeah, so we need to take responsibility of everything in our life. And this is not a bad thing. This is actually really cool. If you're sitting down in a computer chair right now, realize that, hey, I can start having a better day right now. If I took responsibility for yesterday, that means I can form tomorrow however I want it. So if I start thinking positively and start believing in that awesome things happen to me every day, or, I attract beautiful, amazing women or guys that just flock to me every day, or somebody tomorrow's going to buy me a cup of coffee, or tomorrow I'm going to have enough money to pay my bills and I'm just so excited about that, or tomorrow is chest day at the gym and I'm so excited for that. Tomorrow I'm going to get so much stuff done. For me, I'm an author, so tomorrow I'm going to get chapter 6 and 7 done, and it's going to be great and creative. Wonderful creative ideas flow to me easily and freely every single day. These are the thoughts you want to start having, and you'll realize that you want to start customizing these thoughts for your life. So I said I was an author, so my my affirmations are tomorrow, today, right now. Creative ideas flow to me all the time, every single day, through God. And this is the way to live. So when I have a bad experience somewhere, I take responsibility that I manifested that I put myself in that reality because of the way I was thinking. And not only that, but when you are experiencing something bad, you realize, hey, if I keep feeding this energy, it's just going to get worse and worse and worse. So you take yourself out of it. Realize that you don't have to tolerate anything you don't want to. You could go as far as quitting your job right then and there. It might not be exactly what you want to do, but I'm just saying that stuff is possible. You don't have to tolerate anything negative in your life. You're this valuable thing. And once you realize that you are responsible for every single thing happening in your life, it really puts your butt in gear to start thinking positively. And that is my tip for the law of attraction today. I hope you found that enjoyable. It's something I use every day, and I've tripled my income. I've attracted a lot of awesome women into my life. I have gotten so much work done. I've released a lot of successful books that aren't related to the law of attraction. And life has never been better, because now that I'm financially free, I realize that it was because of me and my thoughts and taking responsibility for every single thing in my life and never blaming it on somebody else or something else or circumstances. I took these circumstances and used them for my own self and morphed them to the way I wanted them to be with my thoughts. And through my thoughts, I had inspired action. And through my inspired action, I created this wonderful life of financial freedom, love, and feeling amazing. So guys, that's my tip for how to have an awesome day instantly now and an instantly amazing day tomorrow, and then 15 minutes just by taking responsibility of how you feel. Guys, if you like videos like this, please hit that subscribe button, because you'll get more videos like this. Also hit that bell notification so YouTube tells you that I've released a new video. Also, please share this video if you found it useful and that you believe someone else could find it useful. And again, sending stuff out like this will just come back to you double, triple, and I'll have to make another video like that. So guys, my name is Kai Valentine. I hope you have an amazing day. See you in the next video.